Hello student. In the last class, we had studied two fundamental rights that are right to equality and right to liberty. In this class, we will study about right against exploitation. Before that, we will see some of the actions and identify which kind of freedom we can connected with them. So first one, A establish Adivasi Cooperation Forum to solve the problems of the tribal people. See here A means a person. So he established the forum is meeting. So in that they are solving the problems of the tribal people. Now it comes under which freedom? Yes, so here freedom to assembly peacefully. Next B. B decided to move his father's bakery production from Goa to Maharashtra. So it is coming in which freedom? So freedom to move freely throughout the territories of India, because to take the things one place to another place, it is necessary to move from one place to another place. C1. C found some lacking in a new tax policy of the government. He wrote an article about it and sent it to the newspaper for publication. Lacking means a missing portion of in a book. So he wrote about that article. So here it is coming in which freedom? So he is expressing his ideas. So it is coming freedom of speech and expression. Now next, right to liberty also includes the right to education. According to this, it is the right of all the children between 6 to 14 years to get education. Our constitution provides right to liberty. Through this, it also gives freedom of speech and movement. Along with that, constitution also provides legal protection to the citizen of India. It provides us favorable atmosphere. No person can be arrested without any reason. There are some supplementary to the right to life, such as no person can be punished twice for a same offense. Next, proofs are necessary before punishing a person. Means to punish a person, it is they have to submit the proof. The police will collect the evidence against the person who has been arrested for or formally charged with the crime. Next, if the person agreed that he done the crime, then it is not punished immediately. Means he is getting less punishment. So, student, Constitution has provided many rights, but it is our responsibility to take care that others do not affected by our behavior. Now, next fundamental right is right against exploitation. Right against exploitation given in the article 23 and 24. Through this right, Indian Constitution guarantees dignity of the individual. It also prohibits the exploitation or misuse of services by force. It prohibits the employment of children below the age of 14 years in factories, mines, etc. It also prohibits slavery, begging, bonded labor or other form of forced labor. It also worked against the exploitation of women. Government made many laws in order to prevent exploitation. Among them, one is Minimum Wage Act introduced in 1948. According to this act, it is fixed the minimum rates of wages or salary to the employees. It also mentioned about the working hour and the rest hour of the employees. Next one is Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act. This act protects the woman from the domestic violence. It includes the physical violence, emotional and the economic abuse. This act provides more effective protection to the rights of women under Constitution. Students, here we have completed right to equality, right to liberty and right against exploitation. And remaining rights we will study in lesson number 5. Solve the exercises given below. Thank you.